The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cotton County in southwestern Oklahoma, central Tillman County in southwestern Oklahoma, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southwest of Hollister, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Davidson, Hollister, and Loveland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.